おはこんばんちは、むんちゃんだよ。Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is
N. The definitions of this kanji are yen, circle, round.
Let's write kanji.
1、2、3、4。One more time. 1、2、3、4。
How to read this kanji?
Kanji has two different ways of reading, onyomi and kunyomi. Onyomi is based on Chinese reading and kunyomi is Japanese original reading.
Onyomi of this kanji is N. Kunyomi is Maru I. Hiragana in brackets are called okurigana and always written in hiragana. Then let's look at some example words that uses this kanji. Onyomi example is 10 yen. Yen is Japanese currency, yen. For example, 10円でお菓子を買った。10円でお菓子を買った。I bought sweets for 10 yen.
30円でキャンディー買うよ。I will buy a candy for 30 yen.
Kunyomi example is 丸い meaning round, circular. There is another kanji to write 丸い. This has similar meanings to 丸い, which is today's kanji. This 丸い means round, circular, spherical. I myself use this kanji to write 丸い because this word covers more concepts than the first one. 新しい言葉円形 round shape 円 Japanese yen 円 circle 今日はここまでです。またね。
You did great today. またね。Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.